This 2018 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 192 RBS sofa, bed slide, front walk-around queen is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Coachman is 22 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 4, external shower, auxiliary battery, slide-out, Skylight, air conditioning, TV, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Coachman Freedom Express Ultralight 192 RBS sofa, bed slide, front walk-around queen is 4,136 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.